Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Wasim Shahid and I will teach you mathematics. Before starting the lecture, I want to tell you that the first 3 pages of your book is related to your previous grade, mean grade 3. All these topics you have learned in grade 3. As per scheme of studies, we are going to start from page 4. The first 3 pages, these pages are your assignment. Solve them at home. Moreover, I will send the answer script or notes of these pages to you via WhatsApp. Now let's start from page 4. I am going to share page number 4 of your book with you. This is your page 4. In page 4, today we are going to learn about 5-digit number. Look at this diagram. This diagram shows the greatest 4-digit number. All of you know that the greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Look at this diagram. Inside this red rectangle, there are 9 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This captures 9 thousands. And look at another portion of this diagram. These are hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 hundreds. And the another portion, here we have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 tens. And the last portion of this diagram is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 ones. So therefore we read this number as 9,999. Before starting the question first, I just want to tell you, give you a simple concept about greatest digit number and smallest 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. I'm going to share another page with you. Students, all of you remember that smallest 1-digit number is equal to 0. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Means there is no any other 2-digit number smaller than 10. 10 is the first 2-digit number. There are many 2-digit number. 2-digit number starting from 10 to 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number and 10 is the smallest 3-digit number. Similarly, smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So when you compare these number with one another, so you can write easily smallest 5-digit number, smallest 6-digit number, smallest 7-digit number. And how you write the greatest 1-digit number, greatest 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, up to so on. Greatest 1-digit number is 9. Greatest 2-digit number 99. Greatest 3-digit number 999. Greatest 4-digit number 9099. 9999. So in this way you can write greatest 5-digit number, greatest 6-digit number, greatest 7-digit number. I am going to again share your book page. In book page, the first question is about 5-digit number. First statement of the first question, write the number names. Number names mean write the number in words. The first number is 20,000. So how you read this number? What is the purpose of this comma? This comma helps you to read this number. So first you count the value place of all digits, and this is one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So when you stop on 10,000, so first you read 20. When before means before comma, 20,000. 20 with 30 mean 20,000. 80 with 30 mean 80,000. 14 with 30 mean 14,000. 57,000. Question 2 is the reciprocal of question 1. Here the 5-digit numbers are given in words, and you have to write these number in numbers. First one example is given 11,000. You must write 11 with 30. 18,000, 18 mean 18 with 30. 23,000, 42,000. Similarly, 70,000, 50,000, 44,000. Question 3 is very important. Before question 3, I want to explain this 5-digit number has been placed in period. 5-digit number has 2 portions. First portion is ones. Second portion is thousands. In first portion, we have 3 digits: 1, 10, 100. In second portion, we have 2 digits: 1,000 and 10,000. T and TH mean 10,000. We can write this number as, look at, I'm going to erase first. Look at this portion. How many thousands here? 56. And then read another portion, that is 940, 943. So we can say this number like this: 56,943. Question 3 is, place these numbers in periods and write their names. Period mean you put the comma in proper place. Whenever you find the digit number having 5 digits, so you must put the comma after 3 digits. So starting from right side, look at the first one. Where is rectangle? 23,124. So start from 4. How many ones here? 4. How many tens? 2. How many hundreds? 1. So after 3 digits, you have to put comma, and then look at this example. After 84, there is a comma, then 3 digits. So start from here. This is first, second, and third. After third digit, you have to put comma. Then how you read this? 84,000, 100 is missing here, and 67. I'm going to share again the answers of these questions. I will explain one by one. Question 1 and 2, you know. Look at here. Here the numbers are given, same numbers, 23,124. So first you put the comma after 3 digits, then write in words 23,124. Here is not 2, 4. Part B, 53440. So after 3 digit, put comma first. Look. And then this comma helps you to read the number easily. This is first portion, this is second portion. These are thousands, 53 thousands, and 400. 53,000 and 400. Similarly, you can put comma after 3, and then this is second portion, 49,639. 964. Similarly, you can write the remaining parts. I'm going to move next. The next question is write the number names. 4 is a reciprocal of 3. Here the numbers are given. 5-digit number is given in words, and you have to write this number in numbers. 19,025. So 19,000, write 19, and after 1,000 put comma. Here 100 is missing. In place of 100 put 0 and then 25. Similarly, how many thousands here? 81,000. 81,000, then 647. Similarly, here is 70,000. Not 17. 70,160. 160. Now I'm going to start page 5. First of all, I will share the book page with you. This is page 5. In page 5, we will discuss the same topic, 5-digit numbers, but here we just want to learn about the value of different digits, location and position of different digits, how to expand the number, and how we write the given number in expanded form. And the next one is how we write the predecessor. Predecessor means the number, one number before. How we write the successor of each number, and at the end we will learn about the comparison of two number, means which one is greater and which one is smaller. And we also learn about these 3 famous symbols: less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay, now I'm going to share the answers of this page. This is page 5. Question 1. Write the value of red digit. 5 digit numbers are given. Here some digits are red, and we are going to find the place value. Means the value of digit is ones, tens, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Look at part A. In part A, the number is number is 48,397. Here red digit is 9, so the place value of 9 is tens. So therefore we will write 9 tens are 90. You can write the answer in words or digits. Similarly, in second number, here 0 is red. So the place value of 0, count the place value. The place value of 9 is 1, 1, 10 and 100. So the place value of 0 is, you can write 0, 100 as equal to 0. 0, 100 means 0, 0 thousands means 0, 0 ones means 0, 0 tens means 0. Similarly here, the place value of 0 is tens, so you can write 0 tens or 0 only. Here the place value of 1 is 1 ones or 1. Here the place value of 2 is 20,000, or you can write in digit 20,000. Value of 6 is, next, value of 6 is 600, or you can write in number in digit form. Question 2. Question 2 is a very important question. Here 10,000s are given, then thousands are given, then hundreds are given, then tens are given, and then ones are given. Okay, whenever you are given expanded form and how to write the number, so it is a simple technique. Just write the first digit. So here in 30,000, the first digit is 3. Here the first digit is 5. Here the first digit is 8, 2 and 6. So look, 3, 5, 8, write 3, 5, then comma, because these are thousands and this is second portion. 826. So in part A, the first one was example. This is part A. This is the first portion and this is the second portion. These are thousands and these are ones. Similarly, here is first portion, second portion. These are thousands, these are ones. So I'm going to remove rectangles. In part A, you will write 92,000, then 4, then 3, then 0. 92,430. It's 94, 92, sorry, here is 92, not 90. So just want to 90. 92,000. Here is 80,000 and 640. You must write these digits that are inside the box. You must write here. Similarly, 5, 0, 7, 0, 3. So these are 1,000, 50,703. Similarly, 4, 3, 1, 0, 0. 43,100. Part E, 70,000. This digit, this digit, this digit. Next is part F, 24,390. Similarly, you can write the remaining parts. The next question is, write these number in expanded form. Question 3 is reciprocal of question 2. Here, the 5-digit numbers are given and you have to expand these number in expanded form. Means write 10,000 first, then thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. So here the first one is 71,623. So first we write, the technique is first we write 7. After 7, how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 with 4 digits means 70,000. Then take 1, second digit. There is 1. After 1 we have how many digits? 3. So instead of 3 digits write 30 means 1,000. Then take 6. After 6 we have 2 digit, 6 with 2 0. Then take the next digit 2, 2 with 1 0. And at the end write the last digit alone, 3. Similarly, you can write the expanded form of all these given numbers. Now I'm going to explain question 4 and 5. In question 4 and 5, the statement is write the predecessor and successor of each number. So here the numbers are given and you have to write predecessor, mean number before. Here some numbers are given and you have to write the successor of this number here. Successor mean one number after. So the technique is here, whenever you want to write the predecessor of any number, just subtract 1. For example, the number is given 85,487. So subtract 1. When you subtract 1, it will get 85,486. Instead of 86, 87, 86 will come. Similarly, you subtract 1 from here, you get, here is 600. When you subtract 1, you get 599. When you subtract 1 from 10, you get 9. In this way, subtract 1 and write the number previous number, and here in successor, write next number. And the last question is fill the boxes with less than. This is less than, this symbol is greater than, this is equal to. So compare two numbers and look which number is greater. Here, when we compare these two numbers, 47,204 with 42,704, compare just first two digits. You can compare digit by digit, first digit by digit. It's better for you. 4 and 4. It's okay. Here is 7. Now compare 7 digit with 7. Second digit with second. Here is 7. Second digit is 7, and here second digit is 2. It means this number is greater. So open the arms of symbol towards greater number. So here put greater than. This number is greater. So put greater. These two numbers are equal. So put equal. This is the sign of is equal to. How we read this symbol? Is equal to, is greater than, is larger than. You can say larger than, is larger than, is greater than, is equal to, is smaller than. 94,065, and second one is 94,665. Similarly, you can put the symbols in remaining boxes. Okay, inshallah, in next topic, we will discuss page number 6. Allah